Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin x. If we do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about cosx ds. This one we change by u. Cosx ds we change by du. This one we can write into u to the power of 1 over 2. Because the square root represent about 1 over 2. And now we have the final answer. This one you got about 3 over 2. This one you got about 3 over 2. About u, that's about sin x. Now we can use the same technique for this one. But this one should be about cosine x. This one you got about negative sin x. After we do first the derivative of cosine x. Because we don't have the negative, so I will put the negative next to the u. So this one we have the negative sign in here. Because sin x ds we change by negative du. About cosine x we change by u. And this one we put negative sign here. Sin x we change by u we change by cosine x. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.